Hello and welcome to this PRISMA tutorial. My name is Frederick, and in this video I will explain how to respond to different secondary trades offered on the platform. Once you're logged in, go to Transport and then Secondary Trading. Here you can select the type of offer you want to search for, offers or requests. In this case, I will look at offers. The next section gives you a variety of filtering options to find specific trades. But I'm interested in all available trades, so instead of just looking at my favorite network points, I click on Show All. The first trade I will look at is a CFO trade. Valid for all proposals is the layout of the page. On the top left, you can see the proposal details, then the trading conditions, details about the product, the underlying tariffs, and any additional information. On the right, you can then create your response. First, you can choose to apply one of your trader lists to make sure you are only trading with people you whitelisted. Then, if the TSO configured it, you can select your balancing group or portfolio code, the capacity amount you want to bid for, and, if the trade is not completely anonymous, offer a premium you are willing to pay or receive for the capacity. Then, if the lot runtime configured by the offering shipper allows it, you can configure a desired runtime or take the whole period and define a deadline until when you need a reply from the offering shipper and all involved TSOs. After accepting the trading conditions of the offering party, as well as the TSO's terms and conditions, you can submit your response. As you can see, you can now view your response and withdraw it as well, as long as the counterparty has not replied yet. You can also create more responses, for example with different prices and capacity amounts. For FCFS, the difference is that you do not have to think about a fitting price, because the final price is preset by the offering shipper. You also do not have to wait for the acceptance by the shipper. The capacity you request will be, according to availability, automatically confirmed by the other shipper. Only the TSOs will have then to agree to the trade manually. For OTC trades, it's a little bit different, because it's a bilateral agreement with your counterparty. Here, only you can see the offer or requests and are able to respond to it. You only need to enter your balancing group or portfolio code if necessary, accept the trading conditions and the TSO's terms and conditions, and then submit your response. I hope I could provide you with helpful information, but if you have any further questions regarding this topic, please do not hesitate to contact the PRISMA customer care team. My name is Frederick, and I wish you a pleasant day.